What's up, Buy Smart fam? Welcome back to the channel where we save you money and time by doing all the heavy lifting. Today, we're pitting two airborne warriors against each other, the ATTOP Drone W10 and the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone. It's David versus Goliath, cheap thrills versus big bills, beginner-friendly versus feature-packed. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, let's talk about the most important part, your wallet. The ATTOP W10 comes in at a wallet-friendly $69. That's right, just $69. You could probably find that in your couch cushions or under your car seats. On the other hand, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone will set you back a whopping $149. That's like buying two ATTOP drones and still having enough for a couple of pizzas. So if you're tight on cash, the ATTOP W10 is your new best friend. Next, let's talk cameras. The ATTOP W10 sports a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees wide view. It's like having a GoPro strapped to a mosquito, perfect for those Instagram stories and TikTok videos. But hey, if you're looking to impress your followers with some ultra-crisp footage, the CHUBORY drone steps up the game with a 2K HD camera and a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having a drone paparazzi. So if you're an aspiring aerial cinematographer, CHUBORY's got your back. Now, let's see how easy these bad boys are to fly. The ATTOP W10 is like the training wheels of drones. It's got one key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and even a toss-to-launch feature. It's so simple, even your dog could probably fly it. Although I wouldn't recommend it. The CHUBORY drone, however, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, and a ton of other features that sound like they belong in a sci-fi movie. But don't worry, it's still user-friendly enough for beginners. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Battery life, a drone's Achilles heel. The ATTOP W10 gives you a decent amount of flight time, but let's be real, it's not winning any marathons. The CHUBORY drone, on the other hand, comes with 3 upgraded batteries that give you a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. That's enough to fly around your neighborhood, spy on your neighbors, and still have time to make it back home. Stability test. The ATTOP W10 is made with high-quality ABS material and comes with propeller guards. It's like the bubble wrap of drones, perfect for those inevitable crashes. The CHUBORY drone, however, is built like a tank. With its alloy brushless motors and upgraded composite materials, this thing could probably survive a small war. So if you're prone to crashing into trees, buildings, or, the ground, CHUBORY is your guy. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses according to Amazon reviews. The ATTOP Drone W10 is praised for being user-friendly and affordable, making it a great entry-level choice for beginners and kids. However, some users have reported issues with drifting and control limitations. On the other hand, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone is celebrated for its excellent camera quality, extended battery life, and robust build, but a few users have experienced operational issues and crashes. Overall, the ATTOP W10 is highly recommended for those on a budget or new to drones, while the CHUBORY drone is better suited for those looking for advanced features and better performance. So there you have it, folks. If you're a beginner looking for a fun, easy-to-fly drone that won't break the bank, go with the ATTOP W10. But if you're ready to splurge a little and want a drone with more features than a Swiss Army knife, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone is your best bet. Remember, whichever drone you choose, just make sure to have fun and stay safe up there. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.